Hi, hello, welcome to this is your IR Design Expert channel. Today we are design a mosquito bat. It's a very simplest way we can design this. We are brand name is making a center. I am developing a center. IR Design Expert. This is very simplest way we can design a mosquito bat. How to design? First of all, going to select the part and sketch front and plane. Select a center line. Okay, and select a circle. Now we go to the back side of the handle. We can design the circle diameter is 20. Like this sketch, extrude 100. Total length is 100 as a mid plane. Okay. Is 6. Okay. Now going to select a center datum plane. Select sketch. Okay. It's a smooth view. Okay. Then select a oval shape of the bat. The oval shape, first you can draw the center one and then exterior one we can design. First you have to select the center point and make a two end. Okay. And this distance, the oval distance, the center distance is 150. Okay, the maximum length, the total length to select, and just to drag it, automatically it will be coming from oval shape, and then offset. This is for 5. Okay. This also center one is also make offset. This is for normally we can draw the many circles, many oval shape, and this no need for this. Just to do offset is very simplest way. Make this sketch and make extrude for the outer edges. Okay, the thickness is 10. Make a center one mid plane. Exit. The same sketch we can use for our next diagram. Next extrude. Okay, extrude. And then this one. Thickness is 5. To make a flip. Okay, it's coming. Now the outer frame is, we can design the outer frame. Now we can going to draw the interior one. Going to sketch. Select the datum plane center one, the top datum plane. Delete the convert entities to make outside of the second ellipse. Now go to identify the center point to draw the center line, vertical center line. Now we are going to draw the supports. All 4 supports we can draw. Okay, we are going to mirror, the lines should be mirrored the center line. Then this should be mirroring opposite for symmetrical axis. Okay, should be closed. Okay, it's automatically closed. Now we are going to draw the side supports. Okay. To select the distance is 5. This is also 5. And now we are going to make a mirror of this line to this center line. And these two lines are mirror, so edit. Okay. Remove the excess lines. So that is for easy to mirror is very simplest way. Now all the excess lines we can trim. Okay. Now select the entire support and mirror to meet center point, center line. Okay, now we have to complete it for the supports. Like this sketch, extrude. Okay, make a mid plane. Chamfer of the outer edges for outer overshape. The thickness is 4 mm, 45 degree, and both sides, opposite side, two sides are the same. We can make it 2 mm, 45 degree is enough to be completed for both sides. Select all the edges. We are going to fillet of the edges. The smooth surface we can make it. Click the select correct center joints. You can select all the edges. That is what is looking very nice to the impress. The sharp edges are coming. So give a radius in the sense it's looking very nice. Select the center edges. Okay. Don't select the surfaces. Just you to click Control and select all the edges. That is what multiple radius we can select. Or choose the symbol of multiple radius. Make a tick mark and then you can select all the edges. Or else heading to make multiple radius. Select carefully any one single lines or single edge you can didn't select in the sense entire the selection is to be cancelled. Again you can reselect all the edges. The radius should be 3. Okay, it will be completed. Now they are going to make a center one. You select the data plane, top data plane, and make a center axis. You can identify the center. Convert entities and select the outer overshape. Make a line. This is for interior, the mesh. Interior 3 layers are available. One is high voltage to be passing on the mesh, and then outer 2 covers to be another 2 covers is also there. First one is now we can draw the interior one. interior mesh size. This is angle is 45 degree. Oh, 45, okay. I'm going to make a linear sketch pattern. That is using to make so linear sketch pattern is more suitable for making up multiple lines. From lines up to the covering of all the bat. We just click and drag. This is entire line should be react same line. Okay. And again for next line. Please also make it on the same way to make it. No problem. If finally we can just click and drag this automatically we cover. Just click and drag. Okay. So trim the excess lines. Just so to click, left click and just to drag, make a line. Okay, so we making unwanted lines be deleted. Okay, just so to select and then select all the lines. Okay, just click drag, automatically delete all the lines. First so to trim, after that you can select this kind of way. It's a very simple way, but just so to cut the excess lines using for trim. After that, this way you can use to delete the excess lines. The same others we using to trim in opposite sides also. Okay. Each individual small line we can delete. Otherwise, these also make a error of your diagram. Thin feature. This is to make a line is to make a small thickness. Odd thickness to make a center. The line is making a center in entire surface, and then the total height is 2 mm to complete it. So the center mesh is completed. Okay. Outside of the mesh. So converted it is. To select two edges. First, would identify the center of the this one. To select the center point. To make another one axis. After that, this is to be delete. The center Here only we can make it for the brand name. Okay, make extrude. Thickness is 2 mm. Okay, it should be completed. Sketch. Here is make letter. The A is making of sketch and text. Write our text. Your design expert. Okay, it's available here. Just to drag, make a bold. This will be select and increasing the letter spacing and words every word facings also. And select the format to be select the letter font size and something. Okay. Now we are going to make a center line. This center line base is the text is to be mixed. Select the center. Okay. Just to drag, select and then OK. And after we can drag in the sense we move. Okay. Fix in center position. Select the extrude command. Make extrude. Submit. 5 mm thickness. Okay. Now we can visible for IR as an expert. It's a very text is visible one. It's a 3D view. Now I'm going to edit the text. Okay, just to drag in center point, center line, and then make increase in the text height to 0.5, and then adjust the center line. Should be to make it particular line. Okay, we should drag in the sense to be covering for the particular space. Okay. To minimize the radius. After radius 47, then the radius 8. Okay. Okay, now going to edit to increasing the font size, the word spacing and letter spacing is also going to edit again the bold one. the power supply switch and on switch. Here we can draw the on switch. Make a cut section for this rectangular, and then another one. Then it is 5, this length 10, this is 3, okay. The center distance is 20, okay, extrude cut, and the offset surface, you can select this offset surface, you select this surface, okay, to make 3 mm cut, okay, it should be cutted. Now we will draw the switch. Top data plane, and then draw the rectangle, another one rectangle. This is 3, make it circle, convert and it is okay. Okay, extrude is also same one. The surface for offset, select the surface, select the sketch. Extrude, select sketch, surfaces, okay, 2 mm, okay, and then select the same sketch, it's not same sketch, and draw extrude some extension, okay. Now we are going to find the sketch, make appearances, painter, the red color is outer one, outer overside, and then the brand name is also. So to click control and click every surfaces for left click. Okay, to be painted. Okay, very good. Same one, so we make it on opposite side also. Okay. Now I'm going to give her the switches. This is also giving a red color. I'm going to make the radius, the soft edges to be make a smoother one. So we can give a radius Now we are using for constant addition only. Interior roundness. This interior one. We make roundness for this. To make a data plane, select a data plane for select the center, one center data plane. We make another one data plane for 3 mm. So the two sides mesh to be mesh, we can develop 3 mm. Okay. Okay, now we want to select the cover entities and then select the same method. With previous one we can using to make many number of line using for linear sketch. The same method we can use to develop here. And then we can select the center axis. To identify the center, then draw. Okay, I'm going to delete the unwanted lines. Okay, draw the line. The opposite angle, we can draw just the opposite angle. So very easy to identify these lines to comparing other line. The angle is 120. Draw the another one side of line. This angle is 45. Now the same angle is becoming, so we can use for 120. Okay, and select the line and linear sketch pattern. Leave. The 30 mm thickness in between distance is 30. So we can make many number of lines. Totally 18, 19. Okay, so we drag. Okay, and then make another one. 30. So 21. The same one. Okay, so we extend. I'm going to remove the unwanted lines. This only one side we can draw. Opposite side we can easy to make mirror command. Using to mirror command is easy to make it for opposite side. Just one side we can draw this type of lines. Okay. Okay, now we will select and delete command. Okay. the same method, extrude the thickness. 2 mm thickness, plane. Okay. So 1 mm. It's a bigger size. So comparatively, it's a bigger size. Okay. Completed. Okay, just go to mirror. Select mirror and top plane, and select the component features. Make a mirror, and then you can remove the excess projection now. Is no line, so we can make another line and then trim. Okay, and edge sketch. Okay, this is completed. I will make appearance for all the outer surfaces and interior everything. Select the features and then select the sense. Very simplest way to select in make a color is very easiest way. Otherwise, you can select all the surfaces and all the edges. Very difficult. So you can select the features. It's automatically select for every the particular parts. Our handle, we give a black color. Painted a black color. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching our Design Expert channel. Please subscribe my channel and click a bell button